Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Ever wondered how to use Cryptohopper and make your trading life a breeze? Well, you're in luck. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to cryptohopper.com and sign up. It's quick, easy, and you might even feel like a tech genius. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard that looks like it means business. But don't worry, I'll break it down for you. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your hopper. Think of it like setting up your own personal robot butler for crypto trading. Click on Config Wizard to get started. Here, you can select the base currency you'll be trading with, the exchange you're using, and the strategy that suits your style. Feeling adventurous? Try out some of their preset strategies, or customize your own if you're feeling extra savvy. Next up, it's time to configure your hopper settings. This is where the magic happens. You can adjust parameters like buy settings, sell settings, and cooldowns. Don't worry if you're not sure what to do. Cryptohopper offers tooltips and guides to help you out. Now, let's talk about signals. These little gems are like whispers from the crypto gods telling you when to buy and sell. Subscribe to signalers through the marketplace and let them do the heavy lifting for you. It's like having an insider tip without the insider trading scandal. Finally, keep an eye on your performance. The dashboard offers comprehensive stats and charts to ensure you know how your hopper is doing. You can tweak settings and strategies as you go to maximize your gains. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get your special offer and start trading smarter with Cryptohopper. Happy trading! And remember, in the world of crypto, it's not just about the money, it's about having fun along the way. Catch you in the next video.